Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shweta Heman Chikle, MSc Dietetics, and I'm a certified diabetic educator. So this is extension of the uric acid video that I had made last week. So I would like to add few more inputs. So there are certain things which increase uric acid, and we will today also discuss things or certain dietary tips which will help us reduce uric acid in the blood. Okay, so we discussed that high fructose corn syrup does increase uric acid in the blood. Okay, so along with that there are certain things like excessive tea, coffee will definitely increase uric acid. Lack of water, so inadequate water intake, people working in hot climates can see high uric acid. Purine rich foods, any food product which is rich in purine with the end product of which is going to be purine, that is going to increase uric acid in the blood. Okay, non vegetarian foods, for example meat, fish, chicken, everything except for egg whites. Eggs will not increase uric acid. All right, and pulses and dals sparingly if you take in the diet, it will not lead to say like high uric acid, but you can still have some amount of dals and pulses in the diet, though they are rich in purines. Bakery products, all kind of fermented food products will definitely increase uric acid in the blood. Overall, if you see, anything which causes your blood pH to be acidic is going to increase the uric acid in the blood. Similarly, there is when it has been observed that people who are on vitamin C supplements for a long period of time, if you don't take breaks in between, that also leads to high uric acid in the blood. Now, how can you then decrease? See to it that if you have a tendency to towards increasing uric acid, and how does that manifest basically? So when you see weight bearing joints or these joints, okay, your ankle toe joint that develops pain, ache, there is swelling on those joints, so that is because of the deposits of uric acid, okay, on the joints, and that's why the joints are not functioning properly, or you feel pain over there due to the deposits. So how can you decrease the uric acid in the blood? You have to first see to it that your blood pH becomes alkaline and all the acid in the blood is flushed out. So for that we need to increase the intake of water in the diet definitely till the time your uric acid goes below 5.5 or below 5. All labs will have different values, but this is the general upper limit is 5 to 6. Okay, that is what it is. And you can also include infused water in the diet. Infused water is very simple. You just have to cut and say 2-3 dices of cucumbers, pudina, or anything which is a coolant basically. Those things you have to add to water, say 1 liter water, keep it like that and consume it over 2 hours or 3 hours of time. That way increase the intake of salads and fruits. This is the best and the simplest way to make your blood pH alkaline. Okay, decrease weight. If you are overweight, try to decrease your weight. Then decrease processed foods rich in high fructose corn syrup has to be decreased. Then decrease the amount of fermented food products in the diet, decrease the amount of tea and coffee in the diet, decrease the amount of meat. This is the richest source of purines in your diet, so you have to decrease the amount of meat in the diet. Dals and pulses though can be taken in restricted amounts, but keep a watch on all that. Okay, so somewhere around 2 to 1 or 2 katoris of dals, thin, not really very thin, but regular dals can be consumed if you cut down on all other things in the diet. Okay, also adequate fluids, like I said, increase the amount of fluid, keep a watch on the fluid intake, especially people who have a tendency to develop high uric acid. You all have to be very careful in summers, so see to it that your urine is fairly light in color, so that is an indication that it is not being saturated, and ultimately uric acids will be less. So I hope this video was helpful for all of you, and in case if you all want a personalized diet plan, do get in touch with me. My number is 9970780125. I do online consultations, and anywhere in Pune, if you want me to come and contact you or you want to consult me, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, all of you.